The DDBrix training was fun. If I can describe it in one word, it was extremely fun and challenging, actually. Hi, my name is Berton Alvarez, and I am a production scheduler here at VPET. To be quite honest, everything that I thought I knew, I don't know. It was an eye-opener for sure. Looking at it from a different perspective just really kind of opened my eyes and how to navigate as an organization. You know, thinking, you're being successful in measuring certain metrics or KPIs, and then actually understanding that there's a completely different model to better measure your success. The DDBrix training was fun. If I can describe it in one word, it was extremely fun and challenging, actually. But at the end of the day, it was pretty refreshing to see everybody from different groups. We had the sales team, we had operations in there, we had the commercial team. Understanding everything, or I'm sorry, I should say not understanding everything, then understanding everything, and everything just coming full circle, and just understanding roadmaps and how to move around and more efficiently.